audio.
Yeah, put his hand in his
Yeah,
mouth
just stick a
so he
little
knows.
Eat it.
Oh.
That tastes good. It's like that cupcake you had. Remember the cupcake?
Dang it. Keep stopping.
Put it in your mouth.
That's much more fun.
Look at her.
Is that making you nervous?
That is hilarious. Oh,
I know this is killing you, Karen.
I know, it's really, can you tell in like
Yes.
my posture? Oh, but I'm letting him do it. That's good, right? God, it's so funny. Jackson like didn't do, he just like would take little bits of frosting off and eat it. Not the.
He's eating it now.
Oh, is that good?
Yeah.